Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how you can find your password in your Netflix. So if you forgot your password and you don't have it written anywhere, you cannot find it, but you can renew your password simply like this. Go over to netflix.com and press sign in right here. And let's say I forgot my password, so I will delete it right here. Then click on forgot password. Now it will ask you to update your password via email or phone. So choose which one you like. I will send it to my email. So I will click on email. Here type your email address and press email me. Click on reset password right here. This will open up Netflix account, and here you can type your new password. So type it here, and underneath type it another time, so we'll make no mistake, and click on save. Also, if you want to sign out of all devices, you can check this box and press save. Then your password should be changed. So now you have your password. Just don't forget to write it down so you don't forget it next time. Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.